In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide purchased apps on iPhone and iPad. Even if you remove an app from your home screen, it still shows up in your App Store purchase history. While you can't delete items from that list, you can hide them, and I'll show you exactly how, then how to view or unhide them later. Start by opening the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. On the main App Store screen, look to the top right corner and tap your profile icon. This takes you to your account page. Make sure you're signed in with the Apple ID you used to download the app you want to hide so you'll see the correct purchase history. Next, tap Purchased. Here you'll see a chronological list of apps you've previously downloaded or bought using this Apple ID. Take a moment to scroll through the list to find the app you want to hide. You'll see the app's name and the download button if it's not currently installed. When you've found the app, swipe left on its name. A hide option appears on the right. Tap Hide. The app will immediately disappear from this list, which means it's now hidden from your purchase history. Hiding doesn't uninstall the app from your device or cancel any subscriptions associated with it. It simply removes it from this visible purchase list. If you ever need to view or unhide hidden purchases, go back to your account. In the App Store, tap your profile icon again, then tap your name or Apple ID at the top to open your account settings. On this screen, scroll down and tap Hidden Purchases. This is the dedicated place where all apps you've chosen to hide are collected. Inside Hidden Purchases, you'll see the apps you previously hid. If you'd like to bring one back to your regular purchase history, find the app and tap Unhide. As soon as you do, it returns to your standard purchased list. Unhiding simply restores its visibility. It doesn't automatically download the app to your device. If you want it installed again, you can always download it from the App Store like any other app. And that's it. You've successfully hidden a purchased app from your App Store history, and you know exactly where to go to view or restore it later through hidden purchases. This is a quick, effective way to tidy up your purchase list without deleting anything or changing what's installed on your device. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more App Store tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.